It's now Tom, Jermaine, Santos, Will, Fernando, and Franz. Well, they can put it up. Put it down, put it down. Your leaders coming up on your third place card. It is Tom, Jermaine, Santos, Bill, Fernando, and Franz. And Franz is out. Bill's out. 1 minute to go. Your leader, pink and white. Sandwiched between two automatics, I believe. Oh, he taps. He felt pressure. Let's see where it knocks him down to. He's on the 38.603. Santos moved to second. He's on the 38.606. Tom dropped down to 38.602. He's back on 03. Santos on 06. Jermaine's on 06 also. Five seconds. Keep it going.
Not the body, something wrong with the shot.
Everybody's done. Tom Lane takes it down 38.603 to Santos 38.605 and Jermaine 38.607.
His car got
As far as that, right back.